the porcelain altar, the water closet. The restroom commode has many flowery names, but often smells like anything but a bed of roses. We do many things to try to mask the odor, from chemically questionable sprays to acidic blocks that may damage seals within the toilet. That's why Fresh Products is proud to offer the Eco Bowl Clip. The Eco Bowl Clip is a powerful 30-day air freshener designed to attack odors at their nasty source. Containing 30 times more fragrance than the standard rim stick, the Eco Bowl Clip is going to keep things smelling fresh without all the harmful chemicals being added to the water supply or sprayed in the air you breathe. The Fresh Products Eco Bowl Clip is 100% recyclable. Designed to fit on most restroom toilets, the Eco Bowl Clip can attach on the side of the rim or along the piping behind the fixture. Despite its name, you can attach the bowl clip just about anywhere. On the commode partition, on garbage cans, your desk chair, or even on your cabinets. The Eco Bowl Clip, providing safe, powerful freshness at the source.